welcome to your science class. Today we will discuss about digestion in humans. We take in our food through our mouth. The food passes through a long continuous muscular canal, begins at the buccal cavity and ends at the anus. This canal is called alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is divided into buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. And there is some also associated glands. Salivary glands, liver, pancreas. The alimentary canal and associated glands together constitute digestive system. Now we will discuss about the mastication and peristalsis. Food enters the buccal cavity through our mouth. Buccal cavity contains salivary glands, teeth and tongue. We will discuss about the teeth and tongue in the last of the video. The teeth cut the food into small pieces, chew and grin it. The process of chewing the food is called mastication. Now we will discuss about the peristalsis. The food pushing down by a wall of esophagus in a web-like manner is called peristalsis. Now students will discuss about the anti-peristalsis. Sometimes the food we eat is not accepted by our stomach and we vomit the food. During vomiting, food moves in from stomach to the mouth by the process of anti-peristalsis in the esophagus. Now we will go for the digestion in humans. We will discuss it in detail.
Digestion in humans. Digestion is a process in which complex food material is broken down into simpler substances. The digestion of food in humans takes place in the alimentary canal, which is a long tube extending from the mouth to the anus. Different parts of the alimentary canal are buccal cavity, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. Liver, pancreas, salivary glands also help in digestion. The food is taken in through the mouth. It is chewed and mixed with saliva in the buccal cavity. Saliva is a digestive juice secreted by the salivary glands. The chewed food enters into the food pipe or esophagus and is then slowly pushed into a bag-like structure called stomach. The stomach also secretes mucus, digestive juices and hydrochloric acid. The hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria in the food and makes the food acidic. The food then goes into a highly coiled tube called small intestine. The small intestine receives secretions from the liver and pancreas. The liver secretes bile juice, while The pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. The walls of the small intestine also secrete juices which help in further digestion of food. The inner surface of the small intestine has finger-like projections called villi. The villi have extensive network of blood vessels. The digested food is then passed into the blood vessels. The undigested food is passed into the large intestine. It is wider than the small intestine. Excess of water and salts are absorbed in the large intestine. Undigested waste is passed out of the body through the anus. Teeth is a hardest substance in our body. Teeth breaks down the large food material into small pieces. There are 32 teeth in the healthy human body. The upper jaw and lower jaw consist of 16 teeth each. In any jaw, we can find 4 different kinds of teeth. 4 front teeth in a jaw are incisors. They have sharp edge. They help to cut and bite the food such as apple. Incisors are present between 2 strong and pointed teeth called canine. They help in piercing and tearing the food such as meat. There are 4 premolars teeth in each jaw. Each of them also 2 pointed elevations. This is used for cutting the food by repeated opening and closing of jaws called chewing. There are 6 molars teeth. They are used for cutting the food by moving jaws laterally. It is called grinding. Do you know that eating too much sweet is caused to damage the teeth? Our mouth is the living place of many microorganisms. They are not harmful. If you did not wash your mouth properly, other harmful microorganisms begin to grow. They convert sugars into acids. These acids are damage tooth and harm them. It causes pain in the tooth, which is also result in falling of the tooth. To avoid this, we should wash our mouth twice a day, in the morning and before sleeping. Salivary glands secretes enzymes which converts complex food material into simpler substances. That means digestion itself occurs starts in mouth. Tongue. Tongue is a fleshy muscular organ in the mouth. It has many functions. It's help to understand the taste of the food. There are 5 basic tastes: bitter, sour, umami, salty and sweet. These regions are called taste buds. Besides taste, tongue also allows mixing of saliva into the food thoroughly. Also, it helps to swallow the partly digested food.